Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to move files from internal storage to SD card. Let's get started, and first of all, open your file manager on your phone. Then after you open the file manager, you can click on internal storage to choose the file that you want to move to SD card, and click the folder where your files are in. And I'm going to move the file on the documents folder, so I'm just going to click documents folder and choose the file that you want to move, and I'm going to move this document file. So what I'm going to do is just click and hold the file. Then after that we can click on move. But before you click on move, you can select the file by clicking on this this circle to mark the file that we want to move. All right, and let's click on move. Okay, and we can click on this button and click on this button again. Then choose SD card. Click on SD card and then choose the folder that you want to put the file, or you can simply put the file outside the folder, and we can click move here. Alright, and now the files have been moved to SD card, and that's how we can move files from internal storage to SD card. I hope this video will be helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video.